Here we got a John Deere 410C backhoe. Let's do a little walk around of this. This is a 4x4. I think it's got the 4-cylinder diesel motor in it, and the cab's open, so get in here and take a little look. Here's your controls for your front bucket there, and your nice cluster there with hour gauge, temperature, RPM. Here's your throttle right there from when you're operating the hoe. And some of the joysticks for the rear. I'll get a better view from around the side. Nope, I can't see. There we go. Got your foot controls. This one here has a full enclosed cab. Here's your rear stabilizer, your backhoe, and your bucket. And this thing had seen some serious abuse. As you can see by this big piece of steel they've welded on there. All the way around. Man, that thing's been used and abused. All three sides. Here's your other stabilizer. You got your pivoting pistons here to swivel left and right. And this is all this machine has is dual joysticks. And then these here are for your stabilizers. Just operate them, and let's see, has he got any foot controls down here? No, he does not. But here's a little better view of all the gauges and that. The other tire, and I gotta go.